Welcome to the first vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Today we will be going to the park. Yes, the beautiful park. It will be a fun time. I don't know what these two are doing. They are killing Barbies. What a great day. It's been snowing like crazy today. It just started snowing like today and it hasn't stopped. Well, I'm gonna walk to the park. Time lapse. Look at it. A park. I won't show you much of it because it'll give away the location of where I live, but I will blur out most of the stuff that you guys might see, so don't worry. This video won't be 100% blurred. This is a park, but crazy snow. It's so freezing out here. I didn't go to one of the good parks because the good parks in my city, they're farther away. So I just went to the closest one. This one isn't the best. I'm just gonna go up these stairs. Oh, slippery. Oh, it's cold. So this little toy here, up here, it's pretty nice. Oh, it's a perfect view. Oof. So my phone died and it froze to death, so you weren't able to look at the perfect view. Yeah, you must be wondering what happened during the park. I just walked back. There was no reason to go out there. It was freezing cold. It's still snowing right now. And that was like 30 minutes ago since I recorded that. My phone's back on. Yeah, so I'm back here and yeah, just to I'm gonna leave now. So just to remind you guys, this is a new channel, so I want you guys to please like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting daily vlog videos. Well, not daily, but I'll try to post videos, you guys. Okay, I'll try. And stay tuned for better videos in vlogs. This is just like a first one just to start this channel. Yeah, so remember to subscribe because this is a new channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.